How to convert Facebook profile to page. So if you want to convert your Facebook profile to a page, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and scroll down or just go with profile. And under your profile, go with the right side, which has that 3 dots icon, and here you will have an option of turn on professional mode. So as you can see that you will have this turn on professional mode option. You can simply tap on it and then tap on turn on, and you will be get paid for your content, or you can manage your content in one place. You can explore tools that support your goals. Tap on get started, and that's it. Now if you go back and if you load your profile, then you will have this professional dashboard and everything. So that's how you can convert your Facebook profile to a Facebook page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.